Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to make screen gets off without needing to disable always on display in Samsung Galaxy Watch. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Samsung Galaxy Watch. So right now you can see. So here firstly what you need to do is just go to the settings and just select this display. Just scroll down below and now you'll see here always on display, right? So let us turn it on firstly. Now the always on display is active. So you might be thinking, if the always on display is turned on, then the screen will stay on all the time. But here's a cool trick. Say when you are placing your watch or you are wearing a Galaxy Watch on your hand, then the always on display is always showing on, as you can see here. So let us keep it for a few more seconds to check if it gets off or not. So it's not getting up, but once you remove this Galaxy Watch from your hand, and let us check if it stays on or not. So as you can see here, it gets off automatically. So let us check again. Let us turn it on and let's place in the table also, and let us check if it really stays on or gets off. So you can see here the screen gets up, and let us place in the hand again. So you can see here the screen is staying on, it's not gets off, right? So let me show you. The always on display is still on. So as you can see here, we have not turned off the always on display. That means this Samsung Galaxy Watch always on display gets off when you remove it from your hand, or you place it on any other surface also. If you place on the table also, it will get off. So it's a very cool features, but very less known to everyone. So you don't need to disable the always on display to save the battery. If you remove it from your hand, then it will automatically get screen off. So this is a cool tricks to make screen gets off without needing to disable always on display in Samsung Galaxy Watch very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.